Say goodbye to crumbs and hello to clean with our roundup of powerhouse handheld vacuums available today. In this video guide, we are going to preview the best handheld vacuums on the market. If you like more videos like this, hit the subscribe button to stay updated on the latest in tech trends. Now let's jump right in and explore these compact cleaning companions that promise to make your tidying tasks a breeze. At the number 3 spot is the MELOHO Handheld Vacuum Cordless. This powerful gadget boasts a 120W motor and advanced suction technology, efficiently tackling dust, debris, and pet hair across various surfaces. Its double filtration system, featuring an innovative HEPA Pro filter, ensures optimal performance and motor longevity. The inclusion of multiple attachments and an LED light makes cleaning in tight spaces and dark corners a breeze. For more details about the MELOHO Handheld Vacuum Cordless, check out the product link in the description box. Ranked at number 2 is the Black+Decker HNVC215 Dustbuster. This handheld marvel excels at effortless cleanup, with 15 AW suction power perfectly suited for daily spills. Its light and portable design, coupled with a convenient wall-mountable charger, simplifies maintenance. The transparency of the dust bowl design allows immediate visibility of accumulated dirt, simplifying disposal. For more information about the Black+Decker Dustbuster, check out the product link provided in the description box. At the top of the list is the ThisWorx Mini Portable Handheld Vacuum. Tailored for the mobile lifestyle, this compact vacuum impresses with its HEPA filter system and formidable cyclonic suction, powered by a 106W motor. Ideal for vehicle interiors, its versatile attachments and 16-foot cord grant far-reaching access to every nook and cranny. To learn more about the ThisWorx Mini Portable Handheld Vacuum, see the product link in the description box. And that wraps up our roundup on the best handheld vacuums to keep your space clean. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps us out. Want more content like this? Hit subscribe and tap the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. We appreciate your support and thank you for watching.